Today, I will be unboxing a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. This is the flagship phone from Samsung. They actually make this model on their site. They have three different models. There's a Samsung base edition, which is the 5G. There's the S21 plus 5G, and then you have the Ultra, which is this one. The Ultra tend to have a little bit more larger battery, has a better zoom capabilities, a better camera overall, among other things. So I'll just open it. I already cut out the plastic using the knife here. So let's take a look. Okay, so when you open it, I'll just get this out of the way here. Get the plastic cover. Ooh, and here's the phone. So let's take the phone out here. Leave it here until see what else it came with. So you get the manual box here. Feels very light, which means we won't be getting a charging wall adapter. Okay, and this is the US model, by the way. So we got a USB cable. Okay, casing for the USB cable. We got a quick reference guide, so the manuals and things. Put that on the side here. And then and your SIM key that you can use to change your SIM card. Okay, so just wanted to tell you guys, so this is the S21 Ultra that is 256 gigabytes, and I purchased the unlocked version, so it's not tied to any mobile network. I can pretty much use with anybody potentially. All right, so let's take a look at the phone, right? So the phone itself, first thing you'll feel is it's rather heavy. It's definitely heavier than your I think even I had a Note 20, which is the last large version, flagship version from Samsung, which was, I think it was a little lighter. And I had the Note 5G, definitely was lighter. But as far as screen, I think screen maybe a little small, but it's okay. So if I turn the phone, notice the camera, it's still a little pointing out, but for this model is actually built into the body of it, which is pretty cool, I think. But nonetheless, it's still sticking out a bit. I guess the camera was so big they decided to keep it that way. Which what it does is it's hard to balance the phone on a flat surface, but you can certainly buy a case that would even out the back so that you can actually put it down. Also, you want to be careful, you don't want to scratch any of that stuff. So if you can get a case that provides coverage for this, would be great, so it won't scratch your camera. But let's take this off on the back of it. So that's the back of the phone. I don't know if you can see it. So this is manufactured in Vietnam. Last phone, I think even the Note 20 5G was also Vietnam. I don't know if they make any of them in Korea anymore, but anyway, this is the Phantom Black. I like the color, it's pretty nice, but wonder if the back is plastic. It certainly feels plastic. This is a very expensive phone, right? It's over 1,200 bucks because of the storage and the model, but it's plastic. I think it's plastic, but on the front of it you have a nice big display. And on the side of it, notice your SIM card holder is on the bottom of the phone. You also have the USB-C. So if I open the SIM card holder, see? So it's only the SIM card. So if you're used to having a memory card to expand the memory, yeah, you won't be able to do that with this phone. It's also, you will need a Bluetooth, or I'm thinking you may need a USB-C corded headphone if you want to use this, but I'm not sure. What else I want to talk about this phone? But yeah, I'm a bit disappointed. For a pricey phone, you don't get the wall adapter and cheap back. Very disappointing. But I do like the curved design though. I did have the Note 25G, which I wind up returning because I had an issue with the phone, and unfortunately Samsung couldn't help me. So I returned the phone, but I do like the Note. the stylus utilization. I don't use it as much anymore, but I used to use it. So if you still buy this phone, you want to use the stylus, you can still buy it and it works. Only weird thing is, where do you stick it, right? There's no place to put it. So you have to carry around in your pocket, unless you have a case, obviously, that has the holding spot for the stylus. But let's turn it on, see to see how the screen to body ratio. Okay, here it goes. So it's loading. Samsung. Take a few seconds to load. I'm really excited to use this phone after my Note experience. Hopefully this one doesn't cause the issue. The issue I had was anytime I would video call someone, they would hear an echo, especially with an iPhone. And I called Samsung, and then the person answering the phone, she didn't know what a WhatsApp was. That was more disappointing from Samsung. Anyway, so here's turned on. But look at the body to screen ratio, is really nice. The screen covers most of the body. I'm not sure if it's on par with the Note, but certainly it provides a lot of coverage. Okay. All right, I think that's it. So you got a phone, got a USB cable, some quick reference stuff, SIM key. That's it. So if you need to buy the wall adapter, you just have to buy that on your own. You also have to invest in a probably wireless headphone if you don't already have one, to use the headphone functionality. You can't expand the memory anymore. So good thing I did get the bigger size when so I'm not limited. I suppose Samsung wants to sell you more their cloud storage potentially, so that you don't need the expanded memory in your phone. Okay, all right, that's it. I think if you want to buy this phone through their website, there's a referral link you can use. If I have it, I'll list that in the description so that you can use it. I think you get 5% off. Yeah, so read the description box. If there's one there, use it so you get 5% off on your device. Or if you need to buy the charging adapter, charging adapter. Okay, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a comment or a thumbs up. Thank you.